Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NSIS error writing temporary file. Make sure your temp folder is valid on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the setup you are having problem with and select Winrar and select the second option add to CC setup 627.rar and select it. Now double click on the RAR file we created now. Just close out of here and double click on the setup. And now you can install the setup without having any problem. Select the install option and install it. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.